Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to transfer your Telegram group ownership on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Open the group in which you would like to transfer ownership. Step 3. Tap on the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Click on Manage Channel from the options that appear. Step 5. Click on Administrators. Step 6. On the next page, click on Add Administrator, located at the bottom left corner. From the list of users that appear, choose the administrator you prefer. Step 7. To enable the new owner to add new admins, enable the Add New Admins option under the What Can This Admin Do tab. Step 8. Finally, click on Transfer Group Ownership. Step 9. Click Save at the bottom to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Telegram group ownership on your PC. This allows you to pass on the responsibility to another administrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.